Good morning, year ones. Today for our maths learning we are going to practice finding how much more between two numbers or finding the difference. First, let's warm up with a song. We're going to stand up for this one this time.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Channel!
Let's count and move your body to the beat. Count by ones to 50, forward and backward with me. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk in place. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Arm circles. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Twist your body. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Do the swim. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Let's count and move your body to the beat. Count by ones to 50, forward and backward with me. Keep moving and count backwards. Do the swim. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Twist your body. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Arm circles. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Walk in place. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Stretch your arms. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count and move your body to the beat. Count by ones to 50, forward and backward with me. Nice counting and good workout. You did it.
Brilliant, super counting.
Let's be.
Okay. Now, first of all, we're going to warm up with a game to start. So I'm going to think of a number and tell you how many tens and ones it has. Then I want you to find it on your 100 square and splat it. So if you haven't got your 100 square out, can you find that now for me and pause the video? Okay, so the first number I want you to find, it has 2 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens and 4 ones. What number might that be? Can you find it on your 100 square and splat it for me? So hopefully you found number 24. 24. It has a 2 and a 4. 2 tens and 4 ones. Okay, your next number to find, it has 3 tens and 8 ones. 3 tens and 8 ones. Can you find that on your 100 square? And give it a splat. So what number was it? 3 tens and 8 ones. It was 38. 38. Okay, your next number, it has 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 10 and 5 ones. What number is that? See if you can find it for me. Number 15. 1 and a 5. 1 10 and 5 ones. Number 15. Okay, your last number to find, it has 4 tens and 2 1s. 4 10s and 2 1s. What number is that? Four 10s and 2 1s is number 42. Okay. Now, can you count the bones and find the total number on your 100 square? Make sure you use the quickest way to count them. So we've talked about this, haven't we? If they're all lined up in a nice neat row, we just need to count the top row, and then we know how many are in the other rows. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know there are 10 in the top row, so there must be 10 in the other 2 rows as well. That means we can count in our 10s. 10, 20, 30. There are 3 groups of 10. That means there must be 30. 3 lots of 10 are 30. Can you find 30 on your 100 square? Where is it? So we have to look down our 10s column. And 30 is here, the 3 and the 0. Now let's try another one. So we know this is 10. So we can count those really quickly. 10 and 10. 10 and 10 makes 20. So we know that's 20 without even counting them. So we can put 20 in our head, and we've got some 1s here. 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 all together. Can you find 23 on your 100 square? 23 is 2 10s and 3 1s. 23. Let's try one more. So again, we know that these 2 rows, they are 10. So what's 10 and 10? 20. Now we need to count the 1s. Let's see how many 1s there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 1s. So how many bones are there all together? 10 and 10 makes 20, so put 20 in your head. Then we add on the ones which are 7, 20 and 7 is 27. Can you find that on your 100 square for me? Did you find 27? It's a 2 and a 7. It has 2 10s and 7 1s. 27. Okay. Oh dear, T-Rex is feeling angry as someone has muddled his numbers up. Quick, help me sort them into the correct order from smallest to greatest. So we have number 17, number 28 and number 25. What I'd like you to do is use your 100 square to help you order them from smallest to greatest. So you can pause the video to do that now. Okay, so what was the smallest number? It was 17. What was the middle number? 25. And what was the greatest number? It was 28. Good. Oh dear, it's happened again, but this time he wants them ordered from greatest to smallest. So I'd like you to pause the video and work out which is the greatest number, which is the middle, and then which is the smallest. Pause the video to do that now. So the greatest number is 47. What's the middle number? 34. And the smallest number is number 19. Good.
Evening.
Okay. Hello? It's all right. T-Rex really isn't in a good mood today. Now he's not happy that Triceratops has collected more bones than him. How many more bones does Triceratops have? So let's see, what number has T-Rex got? He has number 16. What number does Triceratops have? He has number 19. Now we can put 16 in our head and count on from 16 to 19 to work out the difference. So put 16 in your head, 17, 18, 19. How many more bones has Triceratops got? 1, 2, 3. He's got 3 more bones. Okay, how many more bones does Triceratops have now? So T-Rex has got, what's this number? 18. And how many has Triceratops got? 25. Okay, so now we need to find out the difference, see how many more Triceratops has got. So, can you put 18 in your head? And we're going to count up to 25. We're going to use our fingers to see the difference. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ooh. Now, how do we know how many this is? There's quite a lot of fingers up. So we can count them on our nose like this. Ready? We're going to find the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's got 7 more bones than T-Rex. The difference is 7. Okay, how many more bones does he have now? Now it's getting trickier to work out in our heads as we don't have enough fingers to work out the difference. We can see that the 10s and the 1s are different this time. We only have 10 fingers. So what else could we use to help us? We could use our 100 square, couldn't we? Okay, so our two numbers are 43 and 21. So let's look at them on our 100 square. See if you can find them on yours too. Here's our 21 and here's our 43. Now, a quick way to work it out, because we know that there are 10 columns in our 100 square. There's always 10, isn't there, across? So we know that this section here, when we're counting from 21 up to 43, we know that's worth 10. So we don't need to count that row at all. We can put that 10 in our head. And we could count on from here. Look, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Keep that 19 in your head. And then we've got these here to count. 20, 21, 22. The difference is 22. Triceratops has 22 more bones in his cave than T-Rex. No wonder T-Rex is so cross. Let's look at this in more ways to help us find the difference much more quickly and easily. So there is a much easier way to find it. Look at these Deans. So we know that Triceratops had 43. 1, 2, 3, 4 10s and 3 1s. T-Rex had 21, 2 10s and 1 1. We can see that Triceratops has 2 more 10s and 2 more 1s than T-Rex. Look, 2 more 10s. Can you see that? And 2 more 1s than T-Rex. We now know that 2 10s and 2 1s is number 22. Now let's look at this using a part-part whole model. So Triceratops had 43, which is 4 10s and 3 1s. And T-Rex had 21, which is 2 10s and 1 1. Can you see the difference? So we know that there is the difference between 2 in our 10s and 2 in our 1s. So 22. Okay, I wonder if you can work out how many more bones Triceratops has compared to T-Rex now. Draw your Deans or a part whole model to help you. So, what you can do if you're drawing your Deans, it might be the easiest way to do it. Do a line for your 10s and a dot for your ones, okay? So now on your whiteboard or your paper, can you draw me the 10s and the 1s for Triceratops' bones and the 10s and the 1s for T-Rex's? Do that for me now, pause the video. Okay, let's check. So, did you draw 4 10s for Triceratops? And did you draw 9 1s for Triceratops? And how about T-Rex? Did you draw 3 10s and 2 1s? Fantastic if you did. Okay, so we can see that Triceratops has got, how many more 10s has he got compared to T-Rex? He's got 1 more 10. Wow, but now, how many 1s? Yeah, there's quite a lot there, so we can't see very quickly. So what we're going to do is put the 2 in our head. We're going to count on from 2 to find the difference. Okay, so put 2 in your head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What was our difference? We're going to count on our nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The difference between the 2 and the 9 is 7. Or, because we've got our 2 1s here, we can imagine that these are crossed off. You could cross them off on your board and then we can count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we now know that 1 10 and 7 1s is number 17. Now let's look at this using a part-whole model. So Triceratops had 49, 4 10s and 9 1s. T-Rex had 32, which is 3 10s and 2 1s. Triceratops has 1 more 10. Can you see that? He has 4 10s. T-Rex has 3 10s. Triceratops has 1 more 10. And then we need to count on from 2 to 9 to find the difference between the 1s, and that's what we just practiced on our fingers. Okay. Now it's your turn. So what I'd like you to do is draw the deans for each pair of numbers and see if you can find the difference. So you're going to have a sheet like this. It'll be on the website. If you don't have a printer, then can you write the 2 numbers down straight into your home school book? And you're going to find the difference between the 2 numbers. And how you're going to do that is you're going to draw the deans like you've just practiced on your whiteboard or your paper to see how many 10s and 1s each of the 2 dinosaurs has. Then you can use your drawings of your deans to find the difference really quickly. Then you're going to write the difference, how many more that Triceratops has, in this box right here. Now each pair of numbers gets trickier as you go along. So just look carefully and make sure that you're counting out your 10s and your 1s really carefully. There is a chili challenge and it says to explain Pterodactyl's mistake. And you need to explain how do you know he is wrong. So have a little look at that and see if you can have a go. Well done everybody, it's quite tricky maths this week. Super learning.